Windows 11's latest optional update KB5070311 is out, and it's causing more problems than improvements. From install failures, broken dark mode, a hidden password icon, and even Intel Arc GPU crashes, this update is full of bugs. Here's everything you need to know before installing it. First, install failures, error 0x800700306. Many users report that the KB5070311 update refuses to install. You may get error 0x800700306, even after pausing and resuming updates. If this happens to you, don't worry, and don't waste time troubleshooting. This is an optional preview update, so it's normal for it to be unstable. My recommendation is skip the update and wait for the stable December Patch Tuesday release. Second, dark mode broken in File Explorer. Once installed, KB5070311 breaks Windows 11 dark mode, especially in File Explorer. You might see white flashes when opening File Explorer, white flashes when switching folders, white flashes when switching between Home, Details, Gallery, or Tabs. Even clicking the Details panel inside a folder can trigger a bright white flash. It's not dangerous, but it's extremely annoying, especially for dark mode users. My recommendation is, if you rely on dark mode, avoid installing KB5070311 for now. Third issue is password icon missing on the login screen. This update also affects the Windows lock screen. If your default login is Windows Hello PIN, the password icon disappears under Sign-in options. The icon is not broken, it's just invisible. If you hover around the empty area, you can still click it and the password field will appear. But this becomes a big issue if you forget your PIN, you don't have fingerprint or face unlock enabled. Microsoft has confirmed the bug and plans to fix it in December 2025 Patch Tuesday. Temporary workaround: move your mouse around the empty icon space, click password box appears. Fourth issue is Intel Arc GPU issues, crashes, black screens and BSOD. If you have an Intel Arc B580 GPU, you may run into serious problems: blue screen crashes, black screen with only a mouse cursor, warning icons in Device Manager, games refusing to launch unless using the older 6252 driver. For some users, the system becomes completely unusable after installing newer Arc drivers on KB5070311. How to fix: if you can reach the desktop, uninstall KB5070311 immediately. But if uninstalling gives error 0x800F0825, turn off Windows Sandbox and then restart your PC. Try uninstalling again. This works for most affected users. Final recommendation is: KB5070311 may offer small quality of life improvements, but the bugs outweigh the benefits.